Kinga, electric motors, generator, air compressor, water pumps, battery, demolition breakers, submersible pumps, welding machines, machine chokosona, car wash machines, electric routers, diesel engines, lawn mowers, total tool and machineries, engine, egatie machine chinde chinyinge. Batalira setu kayabo imeyomo chokisi. Aseba alinene kuruchinsa mcha kisi kogenda Kisumu. Azama gacho Agusi Plaza, ground floor, room number 6. Wigo, urusege runde nigorore angene bengi ya Family Bank imeyomo chokisi. Na voku ba kirisi mgwetara stinamba chabo. Gusi Star Shop. Nedu kore gene, asoko gule bintu bikutumeka sege kege tambe. Asili gulidense. Ajereda.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwomogusi.
Mwanchu muligero na ukwani andonzi ya sobereta semaragoba yabono chinga chini kukualigania SMS mangana maya yaro kumanyigati yari tobereto kukualigania kurwa semambi ya rengen tambe reka chinse chigabono litukeriga anelia Jumaine aseri bwanyara koko sansa muranira na kumanyibuna abaliki baitu babere bako ya sangerelia ngakarabono yaragire ense yemo yabono maragoba ime ya Afrika ya mocha gose East Africa nyarabono umurayi bwense William Samoei Ruto ni gobana atebira buna bali babwete bakubatira ni wa asoko sombuana macho gose toigo chinsemo chirichia mayuni gobona serikali ngego chikone kibunanko nyare ko basire liko nyara go cyakyo mabwabo ngase nchirenge nabo igone gate biruna serikali ne kinko bwatira nera sobwamo gone kibuna bali bagendera cyo kunane toigo ngo nyara bale go konyu akurwa ase ansemeria aya serikali na magagendere tokolekana bwo musangerekano bokuru boseme go cya saba sign nigora kolekana litukoli yankyo yukra wana dio kimainge cha tora kolekana ngase university ya Kisii ase litukoli yankyo abwasa bolikolo cyo soa university wabo likirana asomo je gabuli tukelio nabiko tobase ko ebuna aba ibole kurwa se skuru yo borose ya Rwanda ngono barokane ko murunga nabagoni bakurokorobekana ase litukoli ya rana mono butume kyobe bwekibesa ase skuru yo broso ya Rwanda egotoka se ward ya bogia kumu ase bungeria ya bonchale ngase county ya Kisii ngati yatoko chikomulekera so imekero kaliban ebyombe biria byo bonchereria bya bwatsiri abanyagetari kogendera no mugirobo oyibona so litukuliye 25 na gatatu ase byombe byatebirubuna kwebichikosira abanyagetari kogendera ngo mugirobo go ikaserikali yaigure na konacha okogani kwabo ekerokeria abantu chiri 15 bagende toko chandeka kubwatikana ne toigo ase ensemeri county ya Machakos ayunkolengana no mugavana we county yo Govinyandeti ngasa yo munenda manga na monekere togende toko ne kiwona abantu bagende toko ligo ensemeri ya Tana River inji okumanya sebiro bitaliye bitambe oli toko bwatira nere goetera sumu na we manyelio ngikakoro kwa Lydia Mosekere kelipetino lira mukira akone kinankonyo richibicha na boigonelio gi ase nchira enkerano ase yo munenda manga to bwati goetera ensemeri mtenda ensemeri ya Facebook na bogo chana buna Ndizi TV News the digital na bogo ensemeri ya YouTube na bogo chana buna Ndizi TV News tobase kweba gotobwatu wetera se website yetu na www.ndizitv.net onyale konyora yo munanda mangito yekamanyire nkorina to sangena ya mangiritere nenchen koroko Vincent Onyancha. Saransu kibono chwe manya senjere yobe kranu mwancho muligeria mese mangana mayense mo yabona marobe togo chaka kurwa se bungeri ya bonchali me county ya Kisii abayibole kurwa se skuru yo brose ya Rwanda niko bakorokoro bekana litokoli alera sense mejo konyara kwe murungana lyo butumekyo ebwe chibesa se skuru yo kolengana bobuli ya buni ko bono baganie botene bwe skuru konyara we sokya nako bekenchire gutumeka chibesa chiabo sense mejo asokote yabuna niko cha roka niko tumeka senchire tabwaneti engana bagendere sengana bagendere to kugikiriya mono nakugania ya seme lyobo tukigosoime na kumurikire skuru eyo asobime unatokumanyigwa no murikito juri Kerubo.
Abamenyi babo Nyando imeye wodi ya Bogiakumu ase bunge abonchari nigo ritkoria rero barobekana na goswase skuru yoboroso ya Kirwanda ase baichanera ega korona goteba buna ama agacho naro atenenirie ase kirenga kyo gosarie meroberio metangani yo kwagacha gorofa eyo erio komente birasi birachi kokonya abaorokiwa nigo boigo bateba buna chichuma nigo chia butorwa ase nchama yo kolia chibesa na gotakore gorofa eyubuna yarobetigwe.
Iyo chagete umwaka 2020 oikaboni getoro umwaka 2024 financial year yajete ikagacha ground floor igatigara ro chibasa chinga kijikaera boniga chibeso mweshimi wororo uru chibasa chikogenderie se project ye etwa yizo kanyora ngabono abanta bakora bachire botuko babwate amangana amabime yabo babutoire chichuma chiankogenderie skuru yaito bachiregere bache gotabangana ababi babutoire enyombe eyo lakini twamanyire nga noborimo igo barigetie njera egere bache kobutoire skuru itegenda guchigoro
Abamenyi abu nigo baswa no mwechano ekero banyore gari abanyanyimbo na amo n'abanyanyimbo balimeye skuru eyo ase baragekiara gochese body skuru eyo ase baganirie ebunwe nalio magenderero ararorekane
twabokire mambi yabono twanyore gari ya police erega iga n'abasigari twichana nke police station yache irega iga
bono saikeira
twakumingambi bago kigo se montu kyo kule kenyoreke amosigari yago to station go chaga iga before mugambi ito atarakora ki atarachaga iga
nigo baboria serikali weswanania kunengia obutumiki bw'ekibesa ekyo nabo igo gokonya abantu abo kweneke buna egorofa eyungwa agachwere buna yarobetigwe kurwa ritangani
serikali yaito etoko gosaba ochega nsa origeri Kirwanda tebwati boremo torogocha kwagacha nyomba chinyinge etwa sabire iga baba siko bangaine ngetwa timandinge project yetenene etotate project yet agendera lakini muna ya arenge initially
omotenenerio NGCDF ni gaboria baibori koirangora asengencho mubunge obonchari Charles Onchoke na begete chimilioni gwetani inye
egento kagendera tega igasi skuru yito ya Kirwanda tikerigento kegwanerete ko takakoreta liberera ase kenyoro omweshimiwa Onchoke nabe ngete chibesa gaiga chire over 4 million ase project ye skuru e nande koro mweshimiwa ari gonchokana na chitega gakaboria abantu ba Kirwanda bonyando ganga bamwakire chukura bakamwakira chukura chinyinge sana tikagere tinga natware kerengera likendeke ngao gokorera abantu amagendero ari batatagetiga Kirwanda
nonye nabo nigo ateba buna inyombe eyo nebwenerete gotenena erio gwikeria mang'ani y'abantu nabo igo kobabori abaibori abo gotinya oborendi nabo igo gotiga siasa.
What we have agreed with them because bantu bagenda gokorega siasa kaberera gatagete kororekana tige project yetenene muna batebire boka abanyene na tutwarore mbu yetenene as we look for the better solution yokumanyanga nkikegenderete na nkike kiagenderete kururi tangani
Gingo ripoteri getaseni Kiandizi TV korwase wodi ya Bogiakumu ebunge ya Bonchari erietaria Nenjuli Kerubo.
no mulikito juri Kerubo asorobo chirwa senchira yobo ikirano gotigana yobo no moncho muligereria emero bili jonsi yokone kibuna boro kigwa wali bakora form 4 bago chiko Swazi University ngonya na bara mahoro kria mono bo semia ni gobono yekiranira se University ya Kisii omoje gora kolekana lituko lyankyo yobo no gochikora gona dio kimange chate kolengana nensemia ni gate biruna nchira moyoko nyara korwa bo semia gochia saba sai anemone kira bago chiko Swazi University unatoko manyigwa na captain osetoko manyigwa na Ndemo Steven anemono asorobo chirwa asema goba yabono
abantu ba minto abasaye bonspi imeyagusie se mwabeta oyo Duke Mainge chate chinsa chia mugoroba na tarire ga Kisii University Amphitheater ese gocha kororanga ki preparations chiomo yiga tukabuga to youth mentorship litukoria mambia iga asto gocha gukwanira abasae bonse bari bakora form 4 bauchikogenda chi university ose chi college ime ya Gusii na Kenya ngima kubakwanira mangana kibao kora baipukane nechitabi chiobonyua bwa marua chisigara na mariogande ayogotindia na boigo ntukwanira mangana ya relationships imeyechi school na kyo muntu okomenya nga kyo muntu wazushetibuya na banafunzi bande na abarimu na boigo ntukwanira na mangana betting addiction abasaye baita abange basireire asogo bet bago bet wetera chia bintu bine ngo bago ngavieta na kiango mwanafunzi wike skuru onyora gusena elblon ogendo bet nero yonspi osotomeru chibesa kane school fees ogendo bet muishoe chibesa chirichia sirachionsi okora koengenta guse kuba depressed ikona asabire kamuranche musaunde bwensi orandonsi esegusi yabeta ni nchumambi event yege kare free of charge ni nchuga togucha kuchaka registration saa 2:30 umuyego gocha kubabweri tukorigi mabaka kuika saa 10 ya mugoroba umusaye nabiranya arekane gwakorire skuru norenka or the like nere nabotoko kwa toena nirama bagam sinioka yekora we expecting gutwara abantu gaiga between 400 to 500 people here at the university mambia igo karibu mwezi
na umurai wense William Samoei Ruto ritukolera ni gomera namo naba waziri ase nyumba yo State House miyo mucho Nairobi niko chinga bamurekera mange kolengana barobuni go banjare kumurekera gati ebintu biri bigendere to kukunense ya Kenya ana nemono ni go bamurekera mangana rengete toigo ejibona bate biruna yarokane ko nyara go chanda banta chinsem asa banta bange barokane go chanda go bwatakana ne muri nyinge yegendere ko ne kiwa chinga kichuruto ni go bakoretara ya ebo go ikasense media mayimayo meye county ya Nakuru achinga kichibona bakagusangana amenye wense mejo Ruto ukwana bokura sense mega yo musangire kono kurasa nyumba yo State House miyo mucho Nairobi ukwana kurona ivashani go chinga kichuruta nyara gote abuna une serikali bachiko neki wali babere bagukunwa ne toigo ne moro kurense meya mayimayo obona santo abete bago sombwa na mache ligona baguchiko nyorobo konyi ne Mirobiri Jonsi yoko ne kinoko ni okwa bamu abunkunyarire kolekana ekere serikali yo gochiko babwatsi na kwani kuna gochako arobo mabwabo asenchera yogosirwa.
Leo katika baraza la mawaziri tumekubaliana mambo kadhaa ambayo ni vizuri ni watangazie Wakenya wote. Kupoteza watu zaidi ya 170 sio jambo ndogo kwa kipimo ya aina yoyote, na kwa sababu hiyo lazima tuchukue hatua kuhakikisha ya kwamba tunahakikisha kwamba maisha ya wananchi inalindwa. Kwa hivyo kwenu watu wa hapa Mai Mahiu, manyumba yenu yamebebwa na maji, mali yenu yale mambo yote, ng'ombe, mimea, chakula imebebwa na maji. Tutahakikisha kwamba tumefanya kazi pamoja na nyinyi ndio mpate mambo yenu yote, tuweze kuhakikisha kwamba mmepata msaada mbadala so that you can so tutapanga hivyo, na ndio sababu hiyo county government iko hapa, regional government iko hapa, regional commissioner na wale watu wake wote na mashirika yote ya serikali, wizara ya afya iko hapa, wizara ya mambo ya provincial administration iko hapa, na tuhakikishe na ile ya special programs ambaye inasaidiana na kutafuta mambo ya chakula, pia waziri yuko hapa, ndio tuhakikisha kwamba hii mzigo tunaubeba.
Na ekira ibo igagendere tumurebo ensirizo kulia ni gara bene umurubiri bwo kunyara gushyori yo gucakirwa kwa machika yibona aberega kuri kwa segeka ruto ni gate biru na machika yo sentunde nyemeronge bere na kana so muyigo yo kolekana litukolia lero nigo banaranyara go kunyara go ikirania na gusiro bokoreri asichinsem auchi serikali anaboni gate bere gati ya machiko ni garenge to kunyara go kingo kumurubiri yo menyekante buna bottom up economic approach asanyara ko buri ko bwata na kwendere konekigwa na kuburi chinsemo chiri kumurikira mangana rengetiri chikoli enseri ya Kenya koene kibuna nabwo ntekoligerero na gokorwa na gwikiranirwa asenchire bwenete na boroto ni gate biruna gati ya machikana nabwo ntekoligererwa so imena mu nchire ko nyara go korekana unenchire mu yo kunyara go twaro bosibero go cyasaba Kenya gwikirana gati emirobiryo ya serikali.
I must apologize, the AG has said why we came late. It is not in my tradition to come late, but today we had business, and all of you know that we also have a situation in the country occasioned by climate change. We have floods in the country, citizens have lost lives, and we needed to put together a proper response as government to make sure that we have adequate resources to respond to the climate crisis we have, not just immediately, but on the short term and on the long term, and to also see how we can prevent such from happening in the future. And therefore, we will be releasing the steps we are taking as government to make sure that we deal with the challenges of floods and other interventions that are necessary to secure the lives and property of people and to ensure that we forestall any such from happening in the future. In particular, this edition also features a body of laws that have been aligned with the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, anchoring our ambition and our ambitious vision for national development on a sound legal basis. The laws of Kenya are a foundation of governance and the expression of our constitutionality and national values, including justice, equality, and accountability, which define our democratic dispensation. They are the output of our legislature by which the elected representatives of the people actualize the people's welfare in every sector. They are also the source of legitimate authority for all public actions and the basis of the protection of the rights and interests of all citizens.
Ekira gendere tani go muna chebi no monere just Martha Kooma nyarga ko bori chinsem ane muna nseme yebigambiro kone kubana ko bwati barama chike kara bikirane gatiyo kuna cha kwebi na nigo chinga kechu Martha Kooma nyarga ko bori yebigambiro ko nyara ko wesco ane muna gwetende kara bikirania okona cha kwabo asanya reko bole bana chebi na kuro chinsemo chonsi kone kubana ko bwati barali chiko batari ko sono nonde bwensi ekira bagwikirania emirimo yabo.
And the prevailing state of affairs certainly has hampered the administration and dispensation of justice in the country for a long time. Indeed, both the legal fraternity and the general public could not access an up-to-date laws at a centralized repository. Thank God for the online, which we have relied on. The National Council for Law Reporting, which I chair, is an institution mandated to publish the Kenya law reports. And over the years, it has been evident that the work of law reporting has to go hand in hand with the publication of statutes for easier referencing. In the past, judicial officers faced a myriad of challenges in accessing updated laws. The online publication of judicial decisions and the laws of Kenya has facilitated access to justice in the administration of justice. Kenya law's digitization journey dates back from its inception in 1994, and I'm proud to say that it is through technology that the finalization of this 24th annual supplement has been made possible. It is important to point out that since the delegated power of revision and consolidation of registration, the National Council for Law Reporting has relentlessly undertaken this mandate with great passion, and I'm absolutely grateful to a very thin team of workers at the Kenya Law who have worked tirelessly to give us this.
Na kira iwe gagendrete abantu kiri bukomina isano niko bagendrete ko chandeka se county ya Machakos ko bwatakana nembre nyinge gagendrete ko neke wasensemeyo niko mu governor we county yibona nyarere ko bule serikali ko neke bunanko bwatira na barasobwamo eliko neke buna abantu bali baraseto ko nyara bale ko konya nabo igo bali bale chinsemo kiri cyarokane kwanyo kane ko baboli ko kanya kuro chinsemecho eliwe tango ko kwanyo ko neliro nabo igo konyara ko sombo na mache ko bwatakana nembre nyinge eju gagendrete gotwa.
The ongoing flooding phenomenon has already claimed 12 lives and displaced 2,300 families. Cumulatively, the total number of people affected is estimated to 15,000. The flood has also led to physical and psychological injury, loss of harvest, livestock, homes, and damage to key facilities, including schools, hospital, roads, just to mention a few. At the moment, we are still quantifying the infrastructure damage caused by the floods.
Nataka tu kuhakikishia kwamba serikali inajihusisha kuhakikisha kwamba kila mtu atakaa vizuri, hata wale ambao wamekosa mahali pa kukaa wataweza kupata mahali pa kukaa, na wale ambao hawana vyakula wanaweza pia kupata vyakula. We value our people. We cannot sleep when we know that our people are in trouble. It doesn't matter because
tigara samangana lengeteto igonigo abantu bande 13 bagendete kuri gwa sensemeli atanaliva yonko bwatekana nenseme yu amacho konyarago icura nabantu konyarago sombwa noina babantu batano babere nigo banyorwe kabono semebere y'abantu batano babere nigo yanyorwe kabono ekereme berende 13 egendete kuri gwa senseme yu nigo chinga kichensemeli ya Red Cross osomubasa omusarabu mubalire kubwaterana amonenseme yu yoko yobolendi ba chakiro twime eliko nyara kuri gakati people
who are in the know, especially on artificial intelligence and the future of things, to pass this information to the learners.
There's a lot of home science. You know, today, masomo ni sisi wote, you know, as parents and our children. And as a parent, I've seen a lot which is going to help me in assisting my children in doing their homework.
For instance, you actually learn mathematics through gamification. You start off from a certain level, and the system using AI algorithms can tell whether you are actually at part level, above the level, or actually below the level. And using that, it's able to regulate so that it comes to your level and you're able to learn from it.
And the parents or the end teachers or the participants who have come here during this period have really appreciated the impact of the AI, and they are looking forward to even bring learners to come and experience the artificial intelligence.
Wanchumulikira abantu bale no bale mani go bagendrete go chandika ko bwatakana nembre nyinge yibona gendrete ko enekiwa niko chinga kitwanyara ko bole serikali ko enekingo nyalere ko basira chinga kichiga ko bwatakana buna kerembre go chane toigo barubuni go chandika monge ko rengani go nabantu bande niko bole serikali ko mulikira abantu abuna ko nyara go tore data isene abantu bale no bale mankai bale na ndena kibara nyara go konyo anachinga kichiga chembre nyinge
76 ilikuwa imebakia korido ndogo yao ya kulima, lakini nayo pia ilichukuliwa na Forest, Ministry of Forest 2016 wakaichukua bila public participation, bila chochote. So jamii ukitaka kujikwamua jamii ni mpaka uwe na ardhi mwanzo. Sasa jamii hii wana shida zote, mambo za Boni Forest tunajua, shida nyingi za huko, usafiri, kila kitu kwao shida. Paka sasa hiyo the whole ward haina hata shule.
And this has always been one of the issues we've always highlighted, even when we were looking at the commitments that we made in the Global Disability Summit. The risk mitigation aspect was one of the issues that we highlighted, and right now we are actually seeing it come to play. And of course,
una imagine mtu kama mimi niko kwa wheelchair, place kama iko na mafuriko, mimi nitawezaje kupanda kwenye paa? Sitaweza kupanda. Ama watu wakijiokoa kuswim and wajitoe nje, if someone does not come to my rescue, I will just die there, because I cannot I don't have any mitigation way of removing myself from where I am.
Majority of us come from a humble background, poor background, and Nairobi, those of us who say Nairobi live in informal settlements. So we have been, for example, had an issue like in Mathare, so sad that some people lost their lives. So just try to imagine person with disability.
Onshumuligire wano kubatikana n'ebirongo nchiranja kro musumali mangana majia senchira yoboye kirano asemara ko yabonense yamoko chikora gaisato ingira na SMS nyaro kumanya yo mananda mange bunatoka na toka nyora SMS yetunyira bono chikora gaisato litukolero monchumuligire twariro ko murungania kurwase woderi yabasibo itangale abo ase gati y'abantu nabago amenye bansemeyo be murungania sogotanyara chibasari go ikabono obotokubano chiko twaro mu MCB wodi yatorera sobwagale nasiki amanyi babasibo itangale bataranyara chibasari gento kagenda tokole tobutsuka no bago sokolengana bangani gote yabuna murubuli yitora korekana century bwenete ngobono mu MC Thomas yobale kurwase wodi yabasibo itangale nachwe ka SMS go butukubwale ro mwacho murigiri yatorera sobwagale nasiki amanyi babasibo itangale bagenda chukwe murungania kubwatekana ne chibasari senseme ngane mwamu ne to chikumulekera ekaro chira girisa to chiabono butukora twale nkona kubule konde wensi go chasomo MC bwe wodi yabasibo itangale ngane mona sogo to go chibasari ngato go chikumulekera jira bona kira abantu baigata tukabiri tukulia Alhamisi na Ijumaa ikiyaita obisi aya ni go ya siekire ondeta yolengo kuro chibasari ya sensemejo ningana turachikumulekera sobime ekero mu MC bwe wodi yara ikaseme ito isato chiabono butukasa ya munanda mange Tomerani seto tosange amona iganda ko tubwate nseme mtandao buna botambe Facebook ndizi TV News Digital nabaga nseme ya YouTube na bogo chana buna ndizi TV News tobase kweba go tubwate hase website ito buna botambe www.ndiztv.net onyale kwemanya buna genrete wate kanyero ko chora wensen kiona mbeyemo aso wake kuro ya aso kulikeleta kuza KUZN onyale go tumago chia seyemo isano nemo enoti eyemo na bogo chora ndizi TV ngatsen kio bwanchete na gotokora na mbeyemo sama merano bunyankongo bwa kuza awards kuza okulikereta KUZN otumagocha se namba eyemo isano nemo enote eyemo 15601 goso 15601 namba yo no gotuma ujumbe yo karukwalikereta kuza nyora tuli kuwakanira kende gyonso twabwatira nera somuntu wemanyiriyo Lydia Mose Petro Mokera ona kichibi chamuli cha wekera century bwene teretera ni Chenkuru Vincent Onyancha.